We think of space as a mostly empty void, with bits of matter and light scattered across its expanse. But what if something much more was lurking in this void, watching the cosmos as we stare back at them? On its mission to Jupiter, NASA's Juno spacecraft captured an image that seemed to be emerging from the swirling gases that enshroud the planet. A contorted set of eyes loom over an almost sad-looking face. There's something deeply uncanny about seeing something like this out in the blackness of space. This distorted, melancholy expression shouldn't be there. Many would dismiss this as the phenomenon known as pareidolia. It's the proclivity for the mind to impose meaningful interpretation onto something nebulous and non-living. Our perception can project a face onto everyday objects, and now onto fantastic images of deep space. Is this just an evolutionary mechanism to help us spot predators that no longer has any use? Or is our brain sensing something deeper when we peer outward into the cosmos? Perhaps we're looking into the faces of a conscious universe that stares back at us. If you gaze long enough into an abyss, the abyss will gaze back into you. This unsettling quote from Friedrich Nietzsche is all the more hair-raising when looking at what was captured on June 19, 2019 by the Hubble Space Telescope. A collision of two galaxies has formed this eerie countenance. The eyes seem to burn with intense awareness, and one can make out the dim vestiges of a nose and a mouth. It's as if an ancient titan was daydreaming in our direction, indifferent to our earthly burdens. But few can top an image captured in 2023 by NASA's James Webb telescope. Like something off of a doom metal album cover, a ghoulish face, draped in cosmic dust, appears to be shrieking into the void. With one glance, you can almost hear its horrific howl. But as for its origin, this one isn't actually a photo. It's an artist's impression of the original infrared images and data. With exaggerated details like these, it's hard not to be superstitious and somewhat terrified of deep space. Perhaps they want it that way. For more on what lurks in space, like artificially intelligent weapons from dead civilizations, click this video here on the Berserker Hypothesis, or tons of my other content like this. I'll see you guys in the next one.